There are lots of people skilled in DIY home improvement. They're called contractors. Here's why going DIY is a bad idea. Letting your husband do a DIY project can take forever. 85% of people choose DIY home improvement to save money, but here's why it's a lose-lose situation. DIY home improvement projects can cost extra money, time, and in some cases can even end you up in the hospital. If you don't already know what you're doing, many projects can end up looking less professional and a little more DIY. This isn't just embarrassing when people visit, but it has a real negative impact on the value of your home. If safety is a priority, it goes without saying that to pay a professional to do it is a smart investment. Ever heard of injuries involving ladders or a roof? And while it's easy enough to replace a light bulb or use a plunger, bigger projects require more specialized skills that can have disastrous and expensive consequences if things go south. Replacing your sink, for example, best case scenario, you save $200. But in the worst case scenario, you end up flooding your home. A DIY project will always take more time and money than you originally thought. There will always be steps or scenarios that you didn't plan on or weren't able to see coming. And while you can learn a lot on YouTube and the internet, you don't want to bet your safety or the integrity of your home on your lack of construction skills. In the end, DIY home improvement projects are neither easy or cheap, despite what TV and YouTube might make us think. If you're considering a home improvement project and you don't want to spend more money for repairs after the project is done, speak with our specialist and interior designer and they can begin advising you right away.